exit 5 for Georgia 10 West Fort Memorial Drive, Stoneman Village, then continue on to Georgia 10 West.
Dude, what if we get the sunset on the mountain?
Oh, that would be sick.
Turn left onto James B. Rivers
You
Drive.
guys gonna get a beer? Brew pub.
Yep.
Need to pay? Alright, I guess we're paying, huh?
Turn left onto
$15,
Robert E. Lee
let's do
Boulevard,
it.
then you will arrive at your destination.
Well, let's
Thank you.
Oh, we got a map.
Well, it's good because we're driving.
You have arrived.
Oh, well, thank you.
Dude, look how big this
We
thing
pay
is.
$15 to ride. We're gonna enjoy this.
We need to save this.
This is a nice leisurely activity.
Dude, I'm sorry. Dude, what are you doing?
Welcome.
Wear proper footwear.
Shit. It's full of stone. And these wildflowers. This is so cool, man. Look, this tree is like,
In the fucking stones.
yeah. Hey, look, it's a gum tree. You got any gum?
Take it coming back this way, Ricky. Look. About halfway up the mountain.
It's a gum Jesus.
$25. I will pick one of these gums off
I get to choose it though.
and I will chew it.
I get to pick.
About midway up the mountain. As you can see, we're a little sweaty, tired. We're gonna make it through. We're on Stone Mountains.
420.
Mountain is home to the largest bas relief in the world.
No, I did not. Where would that be?
It's on the other side. It's a Stonewall Jackson, Robert E. Lee, and Jefferson Davis.
I think it might be better to go that route instead of that one.
Yeah, I'm with you. Going straight up there.
Hey, this is how we hike. Prime Cut Pro style. You can only see this on Awesome Documentary. Check it out.
That was sweet.
Cameron's gonna be smoking weed on the station channel. Oh, I'm right here. I'm smoking a joint. You can't do that, man. You can't expose us.
We're exposed.
You gotta put the watch on like I do Ricky. Gotta watch what he puts up. Oh, dude, are you serious?
He's. Look at him.
Hey, did you get... Are you at the top yet, Cameron? Is that the top?
Is that the top?
Yo!
And he said a lot, so basically 90% of the footage is not usable. Hiking for days.
It's probably camping.
He's been hiking for days, but his iPod still has power. He must have one of those cellular cell phone.
Dude, this is gonna be epic to walk. On that mountain. I'm smoking a blunt. It's getting better.
How much freaking room?
Look at that sky right now. Ricky, zoom in on that. Got Ricky. I'm about to get this. Dude, so she's probably gonna look over and see.
Oh, get those squats.
Dude, look, should we go that way?
You got a video on
If
YouTube.
you don't know me now, you're gonna know me one day. Hello?
Y'all need to come on. Yeah, we was waiting on y'all. Cause D said he didn't see y'all.
Where's mommy?
Where's mommy?
Did we lose him? I thought he was ahead of us. So I was running the whole time.
No, dude, he's way behind us. What are you doing?
We left him.
I was trying to keep up with you.
Oh.
Dude, I beg to differ.
Making great time down. I'm not gonna stop. I'm going all the way.
He's a grown man.
Yeah.